Hey there, it's Peter with Equappment. Okay, in today's video, we are going to take you to the crew members feature. Now in here, you keep track of all your crew members and employees. Anyone that you want to be able to schedule to a job or keep detailed information on. It doesn't mean they're going to be part of the app necessarily, but you will have their information in the app. So let's tap on one, Fred here. You can see basic information, contact info, cell number, email, but you can also have an open text field for keeping track of their skills and certifications. Put their birthday in there so you remember to tell them happy birthday. Below that, you'll see where it says drilling dawn to dusk. That's the crew that they're a part of. Subscribed user, if you see that, that means they are part of the app. And crew member schedule, tap on that, and you can see what jobs, if any, they've been scheduled to in the past and are scheduled to. You could tap on it to go into the details of the job, or just go back to the details of the crew member. You can even call them or start a text to them through the app. Search feature is great, very powerful. Tap on the search. Let's say we want somebody that knows how to use Digitrack. Okay, just start typing Digitrack, and you'll see everybody that has any experience with Digitrack. We'll tap on their details, and there you can see in the skills it says Digitrack locators. All right, I think that's about it for crew members. More videos to come.